After watching this video, you will never throw away your toothbrushes again. To start this tip, I'm going to use a candle. It can also be a lighter. Here I am using the candle. The first thing we will do is to position it so that it stays fixed. To do this, we'll light the candle and let the fire come into contact with the wax, which will melt, and so you can fix the candle. Meanwhile, tell me from which city you are watching us so that I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Beck Hamilton from Texas. I am glad that you are enjoying our tips. Now we must heat up this part of the toothbrush, which will make it possible to bend it without breaking it. Next, I will press it this way. Then we will have the toothbrush with this shape. You can even use a toothbrush that would already be discarded, bringing a new use to it. I am sure that you have never used a toothbrush this way before, and you will be surprised at the result when you use it. To complete our tip now in a container, I will use the first ingredient for cleaning the toilet bowl, which is baking soda. I will add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. The second item we will use is the detergent. The ideal amount for this mixture is also 3 tablespoons. I will mix it very well until it is homogenized. Once it is at this consistency, we will add the vinegar as the last item. Ideally, also 3 tablespoons. We will mix it well one last time until the products are completely diluted. And so then we will have our mixture ready for use. These 3 ingredients together are practical for removing all dirt. For use with the toothbrush, we should use the mixture to remove any dirt and residues that remain in the most difficult to remove places of the toilet bowl sinks, or even other places difficult to remove with sponges. This mixture that we are using also acts directly in removing any stains or dirt, which makes it more practical to use. Remembering that while the toothbrush is still warm, we can make it in the format that is easiest for our use. We can easily notice dirt coming out of places that no other form of cleaning was not enough to remove. I hope this tip is useful for cleaning your home. You will be amazed at how much dirt will come out of hard to reach places. I appreciate you following us this far. See you in the next video. Bye.